Hello everyone, my name is Nsasokongobeni. I'm a first year student at UNISA and this presentation is for the module BPT1501. I'd like to share with you an innovative educational tool I've discovered for teaching numeric patterns in mathematics. It's called multiplication flowers. This tool has the potential to make learning multiplication facts more engaging and accessible for students. This chart represents the multiplication table for a specific number. In this case, it's the 6 times table. The center of the flower shows the multiplier, and the petals around it display the products of that multiplier. The visual representation helps students see the pattern and relationship between the numbers. Research has shown that visual aids like this can significantly improve students' understanding and retention of mathematical concepts. By using the multiplication flower tool, students can develop a deeper understanding of multiplication and its applications. Let's use this chart to explore the pattern in the 6 times table. As we move around the petals, we can see that each product increases by 6. This pattern can help students predict future products and develop their problem-solving skills. For instance, if we want to find the product of 6 times 4, we can use the chart to see if it's 24. The product of 6 times 5 is 30, 6 times 7 is 42, 6 times 8 is 48, and 6 times 10 is 60. We can also use this tool to identify relationships between different multiplication facts and develop strategies for memorizing them. The multiplication flowers tool promotes deep learning, student engagement, and critical thinking. It can be used in various educational settings, from elementary to higher grades, and adapted for different subjects and topics. For example, we could create multiplication flowers for fractions, decimals, or algebra. We could also use this tool to teach other mathematical concepts, such as division, proportions, or ratios. For example, a ratio of 2:3 could be represented with one set of petals showing multiples of 2 and the other set showing multiples of 3. The key is to find ways to make the content more accessible and engaging for students. To implement the multiplication flowers tool in the classroom, we could start by introducing it as a supplement to traditional multiplication charts. We could also use it as a center activity or incorporate it into our lesson plans as a visual aid. To assess student learning, we could have them create their own multiplication flowers for different multipliers or use the tool to solve problems. This would allow us to evaluate their understanding of the concept and provide feedback. In conclusion, the multiplication flowers tool is an innovative and effective way to teach numeric patterns and multiplication facts. Its visual representation and interactive nature make it an engaging and memorable learning experience for students. I'm excited to explore ways to implement this tool in the classroom and adapt it for different subjects and topics. Thank you for your attention. and I'm happy to answer any questions you may have. I look forward to your feedback and suggestions on how to further develop and implement this tool.
6 times 1 is 6. 6 times 2 is 12. 6 times 3 is 18. 6 times 4 is 24. 6 times 5 is 30, and so forth.